So I will click on 116, which is the telephone number. So it's just as simple as that. Let's say I want to change it to Abdul Wahab, just Abdul Wahab. Let's say I want to change it to just Abdul Wahab. So that's just it. That's just it. Just change. You say okay, just Abdul Wahab. So you have it like that. Yeah, thank you so much.